We all have 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and 365 days in a year. It is equal for you, for me, and for everyone. Then how come some people always find time for everything while others are always struggling? In this video, I will be sharing some principles and tactics which you can use to manage your time like a pro. My name is Shashank, your Purpose Clarity Coach, on a mission to help change your passion into your purpose. Principle 1. Time management is same as priority management. We all know that we have 24 hours in a day. We cannot make them go faster or we cannot make them go slower. What we can do is manage our priorities within those 24 hours. If someone says that I don't have time for an activity, what actually they mean is that activity is not important for them currently. Or let's say if you hear someone who says I cannot go to the gym, I don't have time for it. What that person means is going to the gym or working out is not on his or her priority. Once you start looking things from this point of view, that time management is same as priority management, this insight will give you clarity on how you can include things which are of high priority in your life. Then you will be able to find time for them. Principle number 2, Parkinson law. Work expands to fill the time we allocate to it. You must have experienced that when the deadline is tomorrow or day after, all of us end up doing more as compared to when the deadline is a month later. We all procrastinate and wait for the deadline to appear closer, and then we start doing more. This principle talks about that. Start giving stronger or stringent deadlines. When you have stringent deadlines, you end up doing more or being more efficient. This principle talks reverse about the idea of perfectionism. Don't wait for perfectionism. Start churning out more. Start doing more activities by giving less time for each activity. These are the two principles that I use in my life, which has really helped me with time management. Now let's talk about some of the key tactics or rules that I have developed in my life. Tactic number 1 is 2-minute rule. Any activity that can be finished under 2 minutes should be done now. The idea is not to postpone those activities, not to fill your to-do list with those activities, finish them then and there only. This rule can be applied to all activities that can be done under 2 minutes. So start doing those activities immediately so that you can have more time for bigger activities. Rule number 2, which is batching. Group activities that are similar in nature or make a batch and execute them together. I'll give you my example. When I shoot videos, I shoot them in a group. At one go, I shoot 2 to 3 videos and then I edit them later also in a group. That really allows me to publish 2 videos per week. You can do similar, like if you are checking emails, you can check all emails at once at a particular time of the day and then you are done with that activity. Instead of checking an email, doing some other work, coming back, again checking an email, and so on and so forth. That really depletes your productivity. So group similar activities and do them together. Tactic number 3, time block your TV and social media distractions. I really use this tactic in my life and I have reaped immense benefit. Once you time bound your television and social media distractions, you will realize you have more and more time for the bigger projects and other priorities in your life. You will not lose anything by not watching a new series on Netflix or knowing a little late that your friend went over a coffee date. Instead, you will gain a lot of time. The urge to constantly check our social media notifications or constantly binge watch or constantly turn on the TV, this urge really depletes the time out of us. This is about self-discipline. You have to inculcate this habit. Time bound, maybe 1 hour in the morning or 1 hour in the evening, it's up to you. Stick to that discipline and you will find that you now have more and more time for your other priorities. My only advice to all of you who are watching this video, you will never find time to do anything. If you want time, you have to make it. And now you know how. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel if not done already, and I will see you in the next video.